In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an Eventbrite payout. If you've been selling tickets on Eventbrite, it's important to understand that your payout is the money sent to your bank after fees are deducted. So let's dive right into the steps on how to receive it. First and foremost, you need to set up your payout method. Without this crucial step, Eventbrite won't know where to send your money. Begin by logging into your Eventbrite account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Manage My Events section. This is your command center for everything related to your events. From there, click on Finance and then select Settings. Now you're going to add your bank account. Click on Add Bank Account and carefully enter your bank details. Double-check the information you provide to ensure everything is accurate. Mistakes here can delay your payout. After entering your details, verify them as prompted. This ensures that your bank information is correct and up to date, preventing any future hassles. With your bank account set up, let's move on to understanding when you get paid. Eventbrite's payout schedule is linked to your event's timing. Typically, the default payout occurs 3 days after your event concludes. This means that once your event has wrapped up, Eventbrite processes the payout within this time frame. However, it's important to remember that your bank will also need some time to process this deposit. Depending on your country, this can take an additional 3 to 7 business days. So, in total, you can expect your funds to reach your bank account within 5 to 10 business days after your event ends. Knowing this timeline helps you plan your finances better and eliminates any unnecessary worries about delayed payouts. Next up, let's check your payout status. This step is crucial if you're wondering where your money is or if there's been any unexpected delay. Go to the Finance section once again. This time, select Payouts. Here, you'll find a clear breakdown of your payout status. Look for indicators such as pending, processing, or sent. Each status gives you a snapshot of where your payout is in the process. Pending means it's still being prepared, while processing indicates that it's on its way. Once you see sent, you can expect the funds to arrive in your bank soon. If there's an issue, Eventbrite usually sends you an email notification, so you're always in the loop. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Eventbrite payouts are set up smoothly. Setting up your payout method accurately is key to receiving your funds without any hitches. Understanding the payout timeline allows you to manage your expectations and financial planning effectively. Lastly, regularly checking your payout status keeps you informed about where your money is. I hope this guide helps you navigate the payout process with ease. Remember, staying informed and proactive is essential in managing your Eventbrite finances. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.